Me mamu nyina afishia pa biom na de di kan me de nyame ase so de me ne so ahu etwa 2018 aba 2019 enye omo enye omo sha ase ni nyina ene wa ha nanso adum nti so ahu sa na original me kan me no ye da so tinkomu dia ne wo se ye da na ase so ahu ye da wakoma so 2019 obeye ekwan obefa so obeye de minim nanso ade ba akopɛ na minim se odo hotu nyame so ade nyina mu obema wa homode ade beye enti we die send your original me canon jiwakonya if you say celebration video we die I'm so excited to share this with you na me share odo ene ahomuka modi asuso mu a eya na bro madwen ne nti ase asuso a na de me pese me deda mase ehye nyina ye hunkra bio no so say through Vlogmas no ye nya over 3,000 subscribers into obi a we new to this channel me da wase no obi anso a wa subscribe deda a ukura me mu no onyame nhira efi say mint me nya adwuma ye amomo nka momo nyimu a nyame ye no enye yi me de sana me hu nyame wo ho ono na mama ho de na me de beye na so say wo wa nhwa nyame ye ne nkwani nti me da wase nyame o ende onhira enti we de me nju bri bebre jiwakonya send your original me suma jimakonya na ye mfa omo a ede omo dia baby nchiro na mo so refi akonya ne so efi se me no be din komo kiti bebre ye twas. Enti abusiafo se wa wo hwese ne pictures ikoya so wo se moya ade na media mani agi bebre efise se wo kire obi ade na se ebia wo classroom no ampeja ne nsampo se onti ase anasa results ne ba na enya wo se na ase adwuma na wo ye no presu ni mfaso so wa na nso me de nyame ase se my day mumu bi ma try recipes minim so obi o ha person do picture beba baby entumi ama every film beba na make a celebration video no ade kakra bi mu busa me say I didn't know your celebration video. For me it's one of the important things for what I'm doing or what I'm sharing with you. So if you say aya make us say easy na simple aje wo a wo fie o try and san wo na mo a mo se mu kun mo ni ane a na mukumu free upstairs abegina mo nchen na ene nwunwu ikoso na tese fie ye hwa no eno ni ade bia me sorry am begina kitchen se me no be film ya. That is one of my prayers say everade be ma asumdue through the art of cooking no asumdue be ba fie enti ji wakonwa na ase ne me kan no na me fa de didi so enchira.
So this is shito. This is original shito. So we blended pepper, onion, garlic, and a ginger. And I made the oil be blending. Yeah, it's me. To me try me much create enough me powdered pepper. No, me powdered pepper no This is my shrimps, and this my herring. So yeah, and this my cube, my shrimp cube. So this is my 5 spices. But I unfortunately I don't have the mixed spices, so I have this aromat which I'll just add a little. At least that's my first time trying it. This is Mama Original's Betty's shito, special shito. So the shito and could be Family Jimmy Kakaka. Original, a Koyan Cassa, the name who said the Koyan Cassa said to the cry, just said the Koye. Oh, sir.
I think that Vlogmas went really well this year. Now last year, no, I took it on board. Say, "Beya, make me aye dear, obi a chairman na kakra." So now this year, no, the entire me when say aye successful, aye say move over 2 year no. Now move out ni ba and I'm say, "Hey, na me kuni kruma bro nya dear. Me who hawa me no, nanso no. So when the team working. Now yet the team members pa e bia asomdwe wo fie enti ade ba ko a e bia wa wo hwe mu ni me se me feel we ni o man kitinkiti bebre through Vlogmas time be do have man publish it because na me hu ni say more request na e ba na wo se me dia me so me die ni bitu nchen na me de mo die ni so hye enu nti na me ka se team ni die mo e na mo ma team ni mu e ye dene na me hwe sanye me publish video na 6 o'clock mama mo anda mo fenche me na mo comment yi ba hye nyame unhira na muni mu a edwuma me ntumi nye enti me sero 2019 die me ne wow so wa dia mama hu so se Vlogmas ko ye me hwe sanye te se de ana me ne mo che no obu on ma through vlogging time no baby obenya ade ato e dia se ni table so announce say baby obenya bibi nketenkete akeka bo mu no na mo de pictures iba na me hwe se ebi wo mu a na mama hu ni se it's a big achievement so ultimate na ase so mo hwe video ni keke me hu ni se mo pay attention to whatever I'm doing and God bless you all for that. Now Vlogmas challenge there. The challenges ni be there. So me can me see me real. There na din bebre wo mu ye vlogging time no. Yeah, to say be IKEA haul, announce to say home bagging haul, announce to say range. Be I will go through the process where omagia to me so ba be film. Who could draw wa. Who for camera ya and crofo na show we. Me so dey nyesa me na me vlog me akasa me me ne me cameraman na nti no me so me obi a me ferry ade kaka me ke we see originally there me ferry ade ba me ofie dia be okay nti no na very challenging for me na de na ma ne ye din bebreye e do how kwa 20 minutes video be am dey brem na 15 minutes it me did 3-4 hours e be cra there was a time in IKEA me did be 5 to 6 hours because it was noise level no and no the families about on mobile shopping and now to me in fact obi asum them so I want to na ma very challenging na e do sabre no original dey dem akope baby no me twa ma no so kakra o mu sa where the main can be below home, Mama and your mommy and sape commitment, hard work, and dedication. So until bibi ade si when so ye met me and capture on say bomodi answer unje mu me anko na mo di adwumadi hye mu untumi nka say o ye bibi because creating content ebema wo viewers and answer wo subscribers eni ache ho enyemre obi ane ne ope nti o say wo hwe comment na eba na wo ye de omo so pe wo ye ne sa na chesa so mbia be fi wo ho sa ye to aso. Hey, asɛm wei de me hu sɛ ne mɛka no efi sɛ mumu bi wɔ hɔ no ma soso me mu a abɛɛ te sɛ minimum me ne mu na ti fie so wa ho ade a me yɛ baako a ɛma me anigye bebree yɛ metumi ne obi a wagya me number on Instagram, obi a wagya me number on Facebook, obi a wagya me number through my email and through this WhatsApp celebration number no metumi frɛ obi a na me damase sɛ munya abotre any original kasa yɛ sɛ mani agio anya asɛm kito na emu me si me bubo din wo ɔmo a kyɛ sɛ me a me hu sɛ ɔmo asoso me mu a me wie mu nyina na emu nipa mienu baako yɛ ɔbaaya London me hyia ne da me da wase ɔbaaya me hyia ase de bia almost every video ba beja me comment many so na nipa baako a through channel we nyame adina bless me I Stormy Magnet. So me both Stormy dear, I get so much emotional about it because nyame nam na so me share that but through YouTube channel we blessed this channel so much. Some of the ideas ni nyoma me de ba last year. So me ka team enya me nko a me create media but who are the food no one want to so but Stormy was one of them. To Stormy baby I will be I love you. So now cause we great friends sometimes we friend mommy who say but oh dear young call the sister kwan so na just say ekoye oh enti me da obi ase na Stormy me da wase na wo hwe sene Christmas yi odon ko enti wo see recipes no try back o we yi mu say mako ebie bi enti adofo wo de agye wakonya sene me kan na hwe de Stormy eye de bae na afensu no the surprising thing was me ne ma me kasaye no na kire se ye nyina ye fikru baako so I'm yet to find out if you can say me kazi bi e hu musa nti na wi ase de owa ye si di asempa baby abedru bia na okoje for where the me see me faso na hwe se me gina we ya ada ye cameraman asio me hwe sene ode odo hye adwuma emu na o edit ni nyina minim de me ka kire ne se onyame enhyira no enti mo cameraman de so no amfe o me a edit a ne me ya ne nya de be pia bonti o enti uja mo comment na wa don no so ase musa ye to aso
Yo, original. Miss you na. Because so I no. It's no. Me meat stew. Me say na me meat no. This is my meat stew. Me rice me go watch na. Ama na my jollof rice. My ye we the prep na. Say na be a jollof rice na be ye de pa no. Me ma ade achi so na from the jollof me the rice leg my jollof rice. It's the way one of the things are ija watch yan yes so yes if you go obeti me can be bye.
me trinity expectations there. Mimi obia minka nioma bebre. Adia ba kwa through life, my parents and share me say ubeka watu. So and nanone adia ba kwa obia wo hwe me no. Me pese me no share say. So obeso ye bibia. Wo de hye wo kukuom na koso abo ho modern na yi. Na ne wo ye no, eno nkasa be pay na ho. So into 2019, the metumi aka chiro ne say. So once subscribing to this channel, subscribe because you will never regret subscribing because there are more exciting things coming up. When person I can be brave, but they met me I can say, Mumu be suggestions and what they buy and I've taken it on board. Minti idea back 2019, me say nyame so beba me ahoden to empower homes, marriages and the youth. So sa nyoma me ensa we say asundue wo mu a ema baby ado. If you said, "Dear me, when he says, I want ranting and my bawa, I will fear you, na so to me show original recipes here. Omuka bontia, and general be feel no makefi. Na me da ubia, send ya me canon, while like me video pen. Now show me videos, now share, nyame unshram, na mempire ne say, near dawa kumasu 2019, unyame, and membre musa. I love you all. God bless. Mwah.